Okay, I'm going to show you how to take the battery out of a T2X remote. This is the RTI T2X. I've got a small paper clip. Here's the back of the remote. You'll see a hole right here near the bottom. So just open up the paper clip, like so. And you're going to push on an angle out this way towards the bottom. So in the hole, push that way. There it is. It takes a little bit of finessing to get this. The point is you want this clip right here to push down. So you'll notice that you kind of have to go in at an angle and just push against that clip. It'll release, the door comes off. Inside here is where the battery is. You'll take off these two screws. And this is a Phillips #1 size. I'll take this metal clip off here. And then there's a little tab on the battery. You're just going to pull on that tab. You might have to give it a pretty good pull because sometimes if the battery is old, it might be swollen and really stuck in there. So there's the battery. And that's basically it. The new battery goes in the same way this one came out, and you put this metal clip back on there with the screws and you're good to go.